Castiro y Abatori. Ah, caray! Vet, começaram a cagar. Iba. Jätä pakararia auttoi kiikä. Bien Castiro. Erçek. Okay, so this one is for, it's another market. That's all she's. Mirar yer ke iko. Chuki ke. Evet. Yürü. Buyurun. Yürü. Sibuk kütek kik. Puga. Agarra ka. Puga.
She's been looking for this for a long time. I can't go around with two. I got a lot of we don't have it in Seattle area.
Okay. Okay, she said we don't have this in Seattle, but yes, she's been looking for this for a long time. Took us like 2 years to be looking for this custard pie. You don't want? You don't want it?
No.
Huh? Okay. This trip is never coming to an end because they just keep going and going and going. So that RP, you're mad. You just want to show the world that you're in town and it's time for you to take over. Ice cream, ice cream. Woo! Love it. Kesho. Are you mad?
JJ.
Huh? Oh. Okay. Give me a kototsukaru. Oh, perfect. Yes.
Welcome again, part 2 of Fishing Con. We don't have, I gotta have today, oh, those two. Reserve? Okay, we'll take those. Here, let me grab. Momo, give me a bag.
Last two? Okay.
The lucky last at the bunch.
Yeah, we've been all over the, checking out all the stores, and it looks like everybody's out.
Oh, I'm glad you guys came back.
Where do you guys get all this fish from? Like from here or?
After the 15th, we get our fish locally, but then in the beginning of the month, because we need such large quantity, we get it from Chuk. We get bigger, like a bigger amount. Like, that fish can really go hard.
But is it Chukis that sell their fish to you guys,
Yeah,
or?
they're Chukis. They're from Parapais to Ori.
Oh wow. Okay. Go back to the can.
Mexico, we have a popular.
Put American food costs. It's okay, we'll just get those.
Mama, take her.
Alright. Let's see, fish and... I think I'm gonna try this one. Is it?
Please do. That one is only sold here.
Really? Alright.
Made here, sold here.
Lee, can I get 2 bags for this one so I can...
Do you guys want a box?
Maybe.
No, it's okay because I'm a phone
Huh?
one.
Oh.
It's
Did you watch your video?
Yeah, I watched
did?
it. I was like,
Yeah. I know.
we're just. I think we just watched it last night.
Really?
oh,
That's fine, that's fine. Here,
Yeah.
hold this for me. At least I can see this.
AJ, do you mind if I get a picture with them? So I can, these are my auntie and uncle. I have to. I'll take a picture with you guys.
Yeah, I'll put it on the vlog too. All right.
Yeah.
Maro pachiga.
Safe travels. Thank you for coming to
Bye to
fishing.
you. If I don't see you in the morning.
Padayat ka na sir.
Abira kala trouble.
At ka na
Zara pa kuar ya.
nagbuwar siya bra. Pwede mo ba harap ko rin Arvi? Shoot ko rin ikaw rin pansin mo bra.
Anta.
Kaya ko rin tibaya ng mga duto.
Alright.
Tiyas mo Tiyas mo venina. Sorry yung siya mo tuwa datan mo. Asi mo mo pamenya ikatistikan. Oh, ika na sa Tiyas. Yes.
Our thing is, Pam Bondi,
Waktu niyo ba pito? Kalau dengan kapong ini, kapong kapong. David, are you coming with your parents? Teresa.
Ya, siapa cu? Saya cabut.
Kapong.
whoever was in charge, you gave him
Bye, girl.
Ya, si boleh pacak kapok. You saw it, Kevin.
Mommy, when you going with them? So very careful.
Yeah. You take care.
Then they signs him on 7 times.
Yep.
And then that guy suicides himself hanging from a tree. Shotgun to the chest and shotgun
To sit.
all this stuff, all the
Ye pati Santa Rita. Ye pati Santa Rita. Kami meneriba be bogo. Beto nyari wa sino bogo. Like two. Everything fit their life.
Take care. Yeah, you take care.
Safe
Bye bye. Love you.
Love you.
A few moments later.
Okay, no picture. Pichi. Inari pichi. Okay. Bye. Bye. No. No. Se fue. Marabi. Knockout. Katut penat, dilarikan lagi. Okay, no picture. Last day, getting ready to hop on the plane and then head back home to Seattle. I want to thank each and every one of you for following our journey, and we're happy to be back home. Alright. Okay guys, You guys come say bye. Pues Burero.
No, we pull up your pants, Mars.
Mars, can you take this one with you? Caro piato. Huh? Pero sa patawang na. Okay. Okay, say your last goodbyes. No, just say goodbye to everyone. It's okay. We're gonna see everyone again.
You know, this video is of next year.
Yeah. You're so Javut. Bisa keramapan sih. Huh? Oops. Take your thing. Okay. Time to say bye to everyone. Yes. Mars, don't let me know if we're gonna get something, okay? Huh? Okay, love you. Bye bye. Take care. Huh? Be a good boy, okay? Tristan, I love you, boy.
Yeah.
Yep. Take care of baby. Be a good daddy, okay?
Of course, of course.
Okay.
Joey wanna say bye to the camera. Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, Preston. I love you, okay? Okay, take care.
Guys, have a safe flight.
Yeah.
Safe
Thank
flight,
you.
safe flight.
Yeah. Come visit us in Seattle, okay?
Of course.
Okay.
Whenever I get the chance.
You ready? Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Are partner, you show chapur ke? Bye bye.
Yeah, check Alex.
Mars, ready? Something good matcha? Okay. Bye bye. Yeah, can you show it again? Show what you? Yeah. Over here. Okay. Time to go. Time to go, boys. Hi. Alex. Thank you, Alex. You so.
Puro ba trip ba ng parking na?
Ned.
Park
What good?
ka rin.
Okay. Parang hindi ko tingnan sa paseo. It doesn't matter. We paid. Bye bye. Bye bye. Come on, boys. Bye, Mars. Love you. Bye, boys. Yes. Robert? Okay. Iedereen op de spoor. Alright. Bye. Bye, Guam. Bye bye. We're getting closer and closer to every mile of the way to our final destination. We are now spotted in Hawaii. I got bored. These guys are bored. Just waiting to hop on the plane to San Francisco and then head on out to Seattle. Looks like it's gonna be another full flight. What a ripoff from United Airlines. We pay so much money for unassigned seats. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Alright, we'll see you guys in San Francisco. Mommy. Gang, gang, gang. We have a visitor. We are no visitor, Seljuk. We have a visitor. We're all going on the same flight, then we'll go our separate ways in San Francisco. Yeah. Ja ruffa pari veiri kerran. Kerran katon. No, we are back. Marlson is back. They don't want to be back. We don't want to be back. Thank God we're finally home and time to get back to work. Mommy, let's get back to work. Alright, man, we're finally home. I want to thank God for giving us this opportunity to be able to go on a vacation and visit family. And then now that we're back, so thank you all for following our journey. Hope you guys stay tuned and for more videos coming up. Alright? Oh, he's back to work again. Okay. Okay. Where's Marlson? Huh? Oh. Okay. Alright. Go inside. Go up front, Marlson. Oops. Get your back. Get your back. What's this? Alright, alright. Ooh, you got everything? Huh? Turn off that thing. You got everything? Alright.
Where do you find that?
It's back here. It's the...
Austin, try checking the...
Huh? What? What are you looking for?
Alright, yeah.
Where do you find that?
You right, I wouldn't. Alright.
I'm good?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Thank you for picking us up. Alright, guys. I think this is probably gonna be the last part of the video. We want to say thank you guys for following our journey from leaving Seattle to arriving into Guam, and then now we're back. We want to say we're grateful, we're appreciative for your support and supporting our videos, and just want to say thank you all. Especially we thank God for giving us this opportunity to be able to come and see family and visit family, and especially with the newlyweds. So congratulations again. Stay tuned for more videos, and then Marlon is going to take over.
Alright guys, we're back in Seattle, Washington. Well yeah, before we end the video, I just want to give a shout out to all the families in this video, or in these past videos. Shout out to Rafa and Nai. Shout out to the boys, and yeah, hopefully in the future we can come back and have a lot of fun. I had a fun time. Elsa had a fun time. We didn't want to leave, but we're back in Seattle. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. And we'll see you guys in the next video. It's ridiculous. Bye.